How to view your orders in Sephora. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view and look out what are your orders. First of all, open the website named Sephora.com. Now, you must log in or sign in with your account. Now, here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now, here we in this profile settings. Here you'll be able to find different options. Now, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Orders. Simply tap on Orders. So here, this is the place where you can see different orders that are available. In my case, I don't have any order, so it's empty, but everything you order will be popped up and shown here. Here you can view what you have ordered and what's the shipping date too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.